Okay, this is going to be for water jurisdiction. So once you've taken back your standing on the land jurisdiction with the first part of the video, I'm going to tag this as second part. You're going to want to take control of your all caps name. A lot of questions coming in about what do I do at the IRS? What do I do about paying bills? What do I do about that? This is what's going to set that up for you. All right, but you can't do any of that until you take control of your all caps name. You're not giving them your birth certificate back. You're not surrendering your social security number. What you're doing is you're taking control of it as the trustee. Think of, like David says, Michael Jordan with Nike. You're going to like trademark your name. Now you have control over your name. Every which way they can spell it, any which way you would sign it, capital, lowercase, and everything. So now you own your name. It's trademarked. You've taken control of the water. I know my dad's talking about doing it. I asked him, you got to set up a corporation and put your trademark name under the corporation, which would be in your trust, which is the air law. You want to set up an express trust. From what he's talking about, it's going to cost about $2,500 or so to get an express trust set up, which is going to be your foundation for the air jurisdiction. We'll get on that later. Let's talk about the water, though. So once you take control of your all caps name, you do this. I believe it's with the deed of reconvenience. David's got the auto-generated document on his website, statenationals.us. You can pay for it. That way you know what's in it, the wording's right, and then you can add or take away some pages. Just be careful of what you take away if you do, to make it your own. Also learn about how to sign documents. There's 3 jurisdictions. There's 3 different ways of signing and sealing to make sure that you have your affairs in order. When you sign on the land jurisdiction, like your affidavits and stuff like that, you're going to sign in red, and you're going to seal it in red, and it's going to be at the bottom middle of the page. On the air jurisdiction, you're going to sign in purple, bottom right, I believe. And for the water jurisdiction, which is your contracts between other people, contracts with corporations, stuff like that, you're going to sign it in blue on the bottom left. I have to research it again. I keep getting the air. It might be flip-flop, left versus right corner. I can't remember which one goes in which corner, but the colors are right. There's also 3 types of notaries for each 3 jurisdictions. You got a public notary, a notary of republic, and just a notary. You got to learn which 3, and it's the same notary. They just have different stamps for different jurisdictions. Same person.